Greetings! Welcome to SPD 634, Assessment for Mild Moderate Students. I hope you find this course useful, functional, and that it relates to what you need to be doing with students. I believe that it does. What I'm going to do right now is going to give you a quick tour of the course. The course is divided into 4 weeks. We have a discussion board, and the virtual office is embedded in the discussion board. The first thing you will see is SST and IEP role play and sign-ups. This is the spot where you go to request the role you would like. The next thing you will see is below that is the virtual office. And that is where you will ask any pertinent questions, ones that everyone would probably like answered. Private ones need to be sent via email to the instructor. The next area is student introductions. This is a fun little quiz that you will take to introduce yourself. The discussions are below that. Notice that there are multiple discussions for each week. You may choose any one of these in week 1 to answer. What you're going to do in order to earn full points, you need to have the first discussion, your initial discussion, posted by Thursday. 2 responses to your peers, and it may be in any week, are to be done by the end of the day on Sunday. In order to earn full points, you need to have some course citations. The Weishar text cannot be used as a citation, as it is the source text, and you will not get any points for that. I want to show you assignments that are due week 1 and then point some resources out to you. These are the topics you will find. Your week 1 reading is outlined here. I think you will find the Spinelli text to be really useful. I believe it's a keeper. We have a number of lectures here. They're either as a flash presentation or as a PowerPoint with vocals. You may want to do the PowerPoint with vocals. There are some learning activities. Here are the role plays for the student study team. Again, you sign up under the discussion tab for the role plays, but this is where you will download your role play. If for some reason you cannot do the role play, there is an alternative assignment in which you have to go back and view a role play. Week 1 discussion. Again, go back to the discussion board. And week 1 assignment is an RTI paper. You may want to take a look at these very well done outside sources. And then the last thing in week 1, this is to get you started. It's the directions for the curriculum-based mathematics. I want you to suggest you read through this. Remember, you will be choosing 3 to 4 students to administer each CBM. I recommend that you take 1 student to administer all 3 CBMs to, and then the formal assessment, and that way most of your CBM will have already been done. But I want to point out some helpful things for the course that I'm going to suggest you take a look at before you go too far. Course Tools has a great deal of information in it, and contacts, of course, calendar, messages, of course, and I think that you will find these very, very useful. I really would like you to take a look at course resources. And if you especially go down to doc sharing, here you're going to find a great deal of information. For instance, there is information about the student study team. You will find information about there's a field experience sign-up letter. But I really want you to take a look at all of the things I have down here. Math example for curriculum-based measurement. I want you to notice that there's a check-off list for the signature assignment when you get to the end of this course. If you follow that, you will have met all of the pieces for the rubric. There is an case study example for you to take a look at. There's also a case study outline that will help you organize your case study. You don't have to follow it exactly, but one of the things about the case study is if you use those 3 items and then look at the rubric, you won't miss anything and lose any points. Good luck, and I hope you enjoy the course.